Do you want to turn your trades from guesswork into precise and profitable results? This strategy is going to change your perspective on trading, so stay with me until the end of the video. Welcome to the Infinity Trading Strategies channel, where you can find numerous educational strategies that can help you become a profitable trader. Whether you want to be a scalper, swing trader, or day trader, there are diverse strategies available for all of you across different time frames. So make sure to subscribe to the channel first so you can fully utilize these valuable strategies. Now it's time to start today's strategy. As always, we need to go to the TradingView website, where there are plenty of free indicators available for traders. Enter the site and select a symbol. Keep in mind that the symbol you choose depends on your trading style. For example, if you're a scalper, you should choose symbols with high trading volume and significant volatility. After selecting this symbol, go to the time frame and set your time frame to 5 or 15 minutes. Now we need to go to the indicators and add the first indicator to our chart. For this, simply type in the search box, volatility Gaussian bands. Select it and add it to your chart. This indicator has many unique features that you need to know in order to use it correctly. What does this indicator do? This indicator adds 3 lines to your chart. Upper band. If the price crosses this line, it indicates that the uptrend may continue. Lower band. If the price falls below this line, it indicates that a downtrend may begin. Midline, a sort of guide that shows you the current price situation. Above this line indicates a positive trend, while below it indicates a negative trend. Now, how do we trade using this indicator? When the price crosses the upper band and the candle confirms, it gives us a buy signal, and we can look for buy trades. When the price crosses the lower band, it gives us a sell signal, and we should look for sell trades at those points. Now we need to enter its settings. For this, you have 2 options. The first is to double-click on the indicator, and the second is to click on the gear icon. After that, you should change the values you see. Make sure to do this correctly. After this, we need to add the second indicator to the chart. For this, go back to the indicators section and search for trend meter. When you find it, click on it to add it to your chart. Now, before entering its settings, you should know how to use this indicator. What does this indicator do? The trend meter helps you better identify market trends. It adds several bars and color coding to your chart that shows whether the market is bullish, bearish, or in a range. Important components of this indicator that you should know: trend bars, green bullish trend, red bearish trend, 3 meters. How do we use it? If all bars are green, you can enter a buy trade. If all are red, it's time to sell. If the colors are mixed, it's better not to trade. Now, it's better to enter its settings and make the adjustments as I do, step by step. Now that I have fully explained both indicators, let me teach you under what conditions you should enter a trade. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start with sell orders. The first step to see a sell signal on the chart, so you need to look for that. After finding it, you should ensure that this signal is formed in a downtrend and is valid for us. To confirm, we look at the second indicator and make sure it shows a downtrend, meaning that all components of this indicator should be red. If you see both of these conditions simultaneously, you will realize that you have found a suitable entry point. Now you should set your stop loss a little above the last swing high, and for your take profit, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now, all you have to do is wait for the market to reach your take profit level and close trade with a profit. For buy orders, you need to do the opposite of these steps. First, you should look for a buy signal. After that, you need to get confirmation from the second indicator. Now, set your stop loss a little below the last swing low, and for your take profit, it's enough to consider a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Now just wait for the trade to close with a profit. Don't forget to manage your risk and money properly. And if you'd like to have strategies that help you enter trades using buy and sell signals, be sure to watch these two suggested videos. Until the next strategy, goodbye.